Hey friends, welcome to FX Yogi. In today's video, let's learn how to trade the Gartley and the Crab patterns. This service was one of the first to apply scientific and statistical methods to analyze the stock market behavior. According to Gartley, he was finally able to solve two of the biggest problems of traders: what and when to buy. Soon enough, traders realized that these patterns could also be applied to other markets. Since then, various books, trading software, and other patterns, as discussed in the following content, have been made based on the Gartleys. Gartley, also known as 222 pattern. Gartleys are patterns that include the basic ABCD pattern we have already talked about, but are preceded by a significant high or low. Now, these patterns normally form when a correction of the overall trend is taking place and look like M or W for bearish patterns. These patterns are used to help traders find good entry points to jump in on the overall trend. A Gartley forms when the price action has been going on a recent uptrend or a downtrend but has started to show signs of a correction. What makes the Gartley such a nice setup when it forms is the reversal points or a Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci extension levels. This gives a strong indication that the pair may actually reverse. This pattern can be hard to spot and hence you do. It can also get confusing once you do it when you pop up all those Fibonacci tools. The key to avoiding all the confusion is that to take things one step at a time. In any case, the pattern contains a bullish or a bearish ABCD pattern, but it is preceded by a point X that is beyond point D. The perfect Gartley pattern has the following characteristics. 1. Move AB should be the 0.618 retracement of move XA. Move BC should be either 0.382 or 0.886 retracement of move AB. If the retracement of move BC is 0.382 of move AB, then CD should be 1.272 of move BC. Consequently, if move BC is 0.886 of move AB, then your CD should extend 1.618 of move BC. Finally, move CD should be 0.786 retracement of move XA. The Crab. In 2000, Scott Carney, a firm believer in harmonic price patterns, discovered the crab. According to him, this is the most accurate among all the harmonic patterns because of how extreme the potential reversal zone from move XA. This pattern has a high reward to risk ratio because you can put a very high tight stop loss. The perfect crab pattern must have the following aspects. 1. Move AB should be the 0.382 or 0.618 retracement of move XA. 2. Move BC can be either 0.382 or 0.886 retracement of move AB. 3. If the retracement of move BC is 0.382 of move AB, then the CD should be 2.24 of move BC. Consequently, if move BC is 0.886 of move AB, then the CD should be 3.618 extension of move BC. Finally, CD should be 1.618 extension of move XA. That's all for today. Let's catch up in the next video with more interesting content. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.